Okay, so I was just using this welder, it's a 1-ton welder, to stabilize this washing machine. This is a old Whirlpool, almost said World War II because it feels like that. This is an old Whirlpool 14kg expert system. I don't know what's so expert about it. Washing machine. These are built in Latin America. I think the North American version is built more tough. So this machine is as cheap as you can get it. Cheaper as in the parts that they use, the way it's constructed and so forth. For instance, look at this stabilizing rod that's here. It goes into a piece of plastic. That plastic there is what stabilizes the machine, but this is what can end up with happening to it if the tub moves a bit too much. I mean, I never understand the reason to mix plastic with metal. So I decided, instead of buying back one of these, I'm going to just weld this piece right here. I just welded it a second ago. It's cool now. And you can see where this is tough. It's built strong, and you can see where the hook, the stabilizer, can hook on there, come off easy if you need to. Like that. I mean, even this is cheaply made. And you can see where the tub, if it doesn't have that stabilizer, shakes. And that's why in here is all a mess. All the water and stuff coming down. So if you ever plan to put back anything to stabilize the machine, and you could do a bit of welding, I would just put this. I'm not planning to do much fixing on this machine. When it gives out, it gives out, and I'll get a new, probably better one. But for now, this will work way better than that. So the stabilizer will fit on this. Push it through the hole and just hook it there, just like that. And you know, how much would it have cost the actual company to just do somewhere? You know, just a bit of metal rather than plastic, but you know, they want you to come back to them for parts, right? And another thing that bugs me with this machine is the fact that, you see how it shakes? The whole thing shakes. And it counts on the back panel in order to stabilize it. There should be a rod going from here to here, or crisscross, that can be moved if somebody needs to get to the tub. That would stop this from shaking too much and thus take off pressure from the stabilizing rods. Anyway, so that's my tip of the day. If you want to do a fix for this plastic part here on your machine, just try welding something. Or if you can't weld, I would seriously consider reinforcing this by either filling in the gaps there with solid, a mixture that makes it solid so it won't crack up so easily. Or if you don't care much, you can also stick it down. I know that probably somebody will argue that this needs to be movable, but I don't know, because this is already moving here, so I don't know why I would need two places movable. Anyway, if you have other tips, feel free to add it in the comments area. Thanks for watching.